Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 100 Days of Eye Makeup course. And here we are going to learn about something called as highlights. So let us see what are these highlights in your eye makeup and learn them. So I want to keep it very simple and very easy to apply this. I've already done my makeup and I'm going to use the Jacqueline Hill palette. You can take any palette that you have. But whenever we do this something called as a highlight, always understand that only one has to be paid a lot of attention. So I'm going to keep my eye makeup single color, single tone, very basic, and even my lip makeup is very basic. Of course, yes, I have highlighted my blush, but you can skip on the blush also and keep the blush very minimal. Okay, so now for this I'm going to use something like this, a champagne shade, just taking it from my fingers. I'm not going to use any brush here, it's your choice. Now this color I'm just going to apply throughout my eyelid. Whenever we want to give a highlight, understand that you stick to eyeshadows which are very basic. No crease, you do not have to do your crease, it's not mandatory. You do not have to use again two different shades of eyeshadow, just single color. But the quality of the eyeshadow has to be good. If you see, it really catches the light. It is subtle but still makes a statement. Just make sure you apply evenly, there is no gaps and there is no unevenness. Just blend it really well with your fingers. I am taking a closer look also. It's always important that you take a closer look when you apply the product. So always keep a hand mirror with you. You can also use a empty compact, which I just use it. So makes it easy, right? You do not have to invest on a separate mirror. Now here I'm using one of the investment I have done. This is available in Nykaa. This is a royal blue, or I can say a cobalt blue, which is very, or maybe electric blue. So this is a liner. Because this is very strong and powerful color, we want to keep the entire look very natural, because only one in your entire makeup has to be highlighted. It either your eyes, or either your lips, or either your cheeks. So make sure that you balance between all the three: your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. To start with, I'm going to use a very thin liner. Then if we want something to be built up, we'll do that. I really like the brush here because it's very thin. I think you can see how thin I can go, and I'm going closest to the lashes. Let us wing it out. I think because the color is very strong, let us do a bold liner. This is a brand from AYA waterproof mascara. They do have different colors and it's very economical also. So if you really love to be funky with your colors, then try something new with your makeup look. I think this is really nice. for your evening parties, evening looks, you can definitely try this. Okay, so I do not want to do the under eyes no kajal, because of course if you do kajal then you're going to make it too much. You do not want too much of makeup. It shouldn't look like everything is saying its own story. It has to be like all together and saying one story. I really love this color. If I really go for a neutral, even nude eye makeup, so even if I go for nude lipstick, I know that lipstick is slightly natural, but however, even if I take something which is very peach undertone lipstick, it still looks nice, and even if I tone down my blush, it still looks nice. I'll just see if both of my eyes speaks the same. You can also try to just do a V and end it here. Do not take it too much to the center of the lower lashes. Just 1/4 would do. Yeah. Maybe the thickness, I just have to just check it out, then balance between the two. So that is about using a highlight. Highlight is nothing but using very strong and popping color on your lashes. It can be a liner. I think liner really works better and it is manageable, and these looks you can carry to your office too. If you have any office events and office gatherings, I think this really works well. But any of these colors, the neon colors or attractive colors, we call it as highlight, can be used for evening parties as well. Even for sangeet, mehendis and all, you can try this out. So I've used a peach eyeshadow, just single color. I know you saw the process, but try this look. It is just not something a video in your YouTube channel that you watch and just forward it. It is a course, and I want you to try these looks and let me know what do you think, and be different and be creative. See you in the next eye makeup look.